Hey, it's Bob from Bob's Computer Service with another quick Windows Wednesday tip. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn location services on or off in your Windows computer. Let's jump right in. It's real quick. We're going to open up the Start menu right here by hitting the Start button or the Windows key on your keyboard. Then we're going to go to Settings, which is this little gear icon and it says Settings. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see Privacy and Security. And then from here down on the right hand side is location. And you can either turn it on so applications can use your location, or you can turn it off. And when it's on, you can be granular about which apps do indeed get to use your location. And that's it. That's how you turn on and off your location settings in Windows 11. Whether you want more privacy or need locations for maps, now you know how you to change it quickly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for another Windows Wednesday. Don't forget to like and subscribe.